going on, guys? Moto AK-47 here. Just want to talk to you guys about how to not have your tire shine sling up onto the body panels of your car. All right, and I just did a video about how to apply tire shine safely and correctly. All right, so if you haven't watched that, go watch that before you watch this. But simply going off the same thing here is applicator pads. All right, guys, these are going to save you from that annoying kind of thought after you apply your tire shine, get in your car, drive away, park your car, and then you get out, look at your car after you just washed it and detailed it, only to see all the tire shine that you put on, or most of it, has slung on to the paint and body of your car. All right, we all see it and we all hate it, but we still love tire shine and we still continue to apply it. So something that will cut down on the sling, all right, is your applicator pads. All right, not just leaving your tire shine after you spray it, or if it's a gel or whatever, just leaving it on there. All right, and I know you're gonna have to sacrifice something. It's probably gonna be that wet glossy look that some of you like. All right, I'm kind of in the middle with it, but it's gonna be a sacrifice to work it all the way in and lose some of that glossy wet look that some of you guys really love. But if you don't want all the sling, you gotta do it. All right, so that's that kind of trade-off. All right, so working in the tire shine so that it doesn't sling. All right, so for me, what I do, and this is just one of the tire shines that I use. I have probably about 6 or 7 that I use. It's just whatever I have that I use. But this is Trinova tire shine spray, complete tire transformation. Got this off Amazon, got it as a gift, but I'll use this for the video. I typically just spray on my applicator pad just like this. All right, and then spray maybe 2 or 3 sprays, and then work my tire shine in. All right, and what I'm doing here is just getting in between those treads, and I kind of explained this on my video on how to apply tire shine safely and correctly. All right, but something that I'll kind of show here is if you just spray your tire shine on like that, okay, and then let it dry. This is one of those tire shine sprays where if you just spray it on and let it dry, it says it'll have that more wet glossy look. But if you spray it on, or spray it on an applicator pad and work it in, it'll have that matte, just a little bit of wetness look. All right, but this is the difference. All right, guys, you can pretty much common sense tell that once this dries a bit, yes, it's going to be nice and shiny and wet looking, but you can tell that is gonna, as your tires spin, all right, they're gonna create that force back up, all right, and out, and all of that is gonna sling on to the rear of my truck, all right, to the paint. All right, but this, if you look at this, what I just worked in, all right, that is pretty much worked into my tire. All right, look at that. I'm running my hand across it right now, and honestly, look at that. Not much on here, but watch this. Look at that. All this is what slings onto the car's paint, guys. But then if you run your hand over here, not much at all. Nothing really. All right, so that is how you cut down on your sling. All right, I know a lot of you guys use aerosol cans like this, and then just spray it on your tire, and then just leave it and let it dry. All right, but once it dries, after you spray it on like that, and then once it dries, there's still tire shine that's not dried up yet. It's still in that little, I guess, water bead clump. All right, and that's what works its way onto your paint as you guys drive and your wheels rotate. All right, but you have to work this stuff in, guys. Tire shine, you got to work this stuff in. Yes, you're gonna lose some of that wet, shiny look, but that's the sacrifice in between. If you really want that shiny look, you're gonna have to deal with the runoff, all right, onto your paint. But if you want that kind of matte look, all right, just a little bit of wetness, you're gonna have less tire shine uh, on your paint. All right. So thank you guys for watching. That's how you apply tire shine and have it to where it's less on your paint. All right. Work the stuff in, guys. Get an applicator pad. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, MotoAK47. Peace. Have a good rest of your day.